Google just turned their AI Studio into something nobody saw coming. You can now build actual native phone apps in a browser with zero coding experience. Not web apps wrapped in a shell. Real native code that runs on Android and iOS. And here's what most people are going to miss. This isn't a feature for developers. This is a service delivery platform for solo operators who want to charge local businesses for custom tools. I'm going to walk you through exactly how this works, what it replaces, and which services you can start selling today with this free stack. And at the very end, I'm going to show you the one export setting that makes your apps look professionally built instead of thrown together in 10 minutes. You're going to want to stick around for that. I'm Paul James. I've spent the last few years building systems that let solo operators compete with agencies 10 times their size, without the overhead, without the subscriptions, and without pretending to be something you're not. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's what changed. For years, Google AI Studio was just a developer playground, somewhere you'd test prompts and mess around with models before building something real. That's not what it is anymore. Google rebuilt it from the ground up to let non-technical people build native applications through plain English instructions. You describe the app you want, Google AI Studio writes the code, and you can preview it in the browser before you ever touch a phone. That's the whole workflow. No development environment, no learning curve, no monthly bill. Most no-code app platforms charge you $50 a month just to publish something basic. That's before you've sold it to anyone, before you've proven the idea works, before you've made your first dollar. You're paying the subscription tax on a tool you're still figuring out how to use. And it's funny, the tools that get recommended the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions attached to them. Just something worth knowing before you hand over your card. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $50 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived wasn't something I could absorb. That's exactly why tools like Google AI Studio matter. They let you move fast without bleeding money while you're still learning the game. What Google just built is what I'm calling the browser to business framework. It's not just a tool, it's a complete service delivery system disguised as a free code generator. You describe a business problem in plain English, AI Studio builds the solution as a working native app, you test it in the browser, and you deliver it to a client the same day. The entire stack costs you nothing to run. And because it's generating real code instead of locking you into a proprietary platform, you can export everything to a development environment if the client ever outgrows it. Most paid platforms trap you inside their ecosystem. This one lets you walk away clean. Here's how it actually works. You open Google AI Studio and describe the app you want to build. Let's say a local gym needs a booking system for their training sessions. You tell AI Studio exactly what you need. Member login, calendar view, session selection, confirmation workflow. It generates the entire app structure from that description. You can see the interface, test the buttons, walk through the user flow, all inside the browser. No waiting, no compiling, no hoping it works when you finally build it. And here's where this gets real for someone offering custom business tools to local clients. One build session, 30 minutes, a complete booking app tailored to that gym's exact workflow. Member names pulled from a Google Sheet, session times updated live, confirmation emails sent through their existing system. That used to require hiring a developer or spending months inside a platform like Bubble learning how to wire everything together. With Google AI Studio, it's a conversation. The tool handles the rest. That's a $600 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Now the real power shows up when you connect it to Google Sheets and Google Drive. You're not building static apps, you're building live dashboards that pull data straight from wherever the business already keeps it. A roofing company wants to track job progress across crews. You build an app that reads from their existing spreadsheet and displays it as a clean mobile interface. They update the sheet like they always have. The app reflects it instantly. No database setup, no back-end architecture, just Google Sheets doing what it already does, and Google AI Studio making it look professional. Google also built custom image generation directly into the platform. You need an icon for a scheduling button, describe it, the tool generates it, and it's already integrated into your app. Same with backgrounds, logos, anything visual. Most app builders make you source assets externally or pay extra for design tools. This one handles it inline. And they added something called managed agents. These are AI systems that run autonomously inside secure environments. planning steps, writing code, managing files, even browsing the web to gather information. You're not just asking questions anymore. You're assigning complete tasks and letting the agent handle them start to finish. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client without one more step. That's where it falls apart. There's an export setting buried in the project menu that packages everything, your conversation history, the generated code, all the assets, into a format that opens cleanly in professional development environments. Without that export, your app looks like a demo someone threw together for practice. With it, the app looks like something a real dev shop delivered. That distinction is worth real money when you're pitching this to a business owner. I'm walking you through that exact setting in just a minute. Think about which services from your current stack this actually enables. Custom knowledge bases for employee training, internal dashboards that replace clunky software, booking systems for service businesses, inventory trackers for retail shops, lead tracking apps for sales teams. Every one of those is a service you can charge for starting today, and every one of them used to require either a paid platform subscription or a developer on retainer. A plumber runs his entire business from his phone, but still uses a notebook to track jobs. You build him a simple job management app through Google AI Studio in under an hour. Job entry, status updates, client contact info, photo uploads. It syncs to a Google Sheet so he can see everything on desktop too. You charge him $400 for the build. Most app platforms would charge him $25 to $50 a month just to host that same tool. Your version costs him nothing after the initial setup fee. That's the angle. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's what that looks like in practice. A solo operator sees a landscaping company using paper invoices and a wall calendar to track jobs. She opens Google AI Studio, describes a job tracking app, client name, service type, scheduled date, crew assignment, completion status. The tool generates the app in real time. She connects it to a Google Sheet the owner already uses for billing. Every field maps perfectly. She tests the workflow in the browser, catches a layout issue, tells AI Studio to fix it, and it updates instantly. 30 minutes later, she's showing the owner a working app on her phone. He can add jobs, mark them complete, see the schedule for the week. It feels custom built because it is. She charges him $350 for the setup. He pays it same day because it solves a problem he's had for years, and nobody else offered him a solution this clean. That's the gap Google just closed. The distance between having an idea and delivering a working tool used to be months of learning or thousands of dollars hiring someone. Now it's a browser tab and a conversation with an AI model that writes native code for you. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. When you're ready to deliver the app to your client, go into the project settings inside Google AI Studio and look for the export option. You want the full project package, not just the compiled app file. That package includes your entire build conversation, all the generated code organized by component, every asset you created, and a manifest file that opens cleanly in environments like Android Studio or VS Code. When a business owner asks if this is real development or just a prototype, you show them that export. It proves the app is built on actual code they could hand to any developer later if they wanted to expand it. Most people skip this step and their apps look disposable. You include it and your apps look like professional deliverables. That's the difference between a $300 gig and a $600 retainer. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you've got this running in your stack. You're not pitching ideas anymore. You're showing working prototypes to business owners in the same meeting where they tell you the problem. A restaurant needs a waitlist app. You build it while they're explaining what they want. A property manager needs a maintenance request system. You have a demo ready before they finish their second coffee. The gap between conversation and delivery just disappeared. And every single one of those builds is a service you're charging for with zero software cost eating into your margin. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.